This is Ilocos News Online.
To a certain extent, I have to somehow agree with Bishop Mayugpa, not only because I was just cautioning, or I was just asking the offshore companies to be a little bit more discerning as well, kasi lahat ng mga studies na binibigay is studies from Denmark, Netherlands, Sweden. Iba po ang iba po ang hangin doon kaysa hangin dito. So lalo na po kasi ang sinabi po sa akin na ang ilalagay nila dito is floating. So baka sa lakas po ng hangin, baka umabot na ng China yung mga ano natin, yung mga windmills. So I was just quite and it's true, we still have to check as well on the environment effects of it. So, and the other point for me to object is because ang area po ng hinihingian nila is right in front of the 4th Marine Brigade. So, para sa akin, it infringes on the national security kasi syempre yun po yung mga ano natin na dapat mabilis kung kailangan i-disperse yung mga personnel natin, dapat walang harang. Kung may mga windmills doon sa harap, baka paanong pag-iikot-ikot doon. So, that's the only reason why I also have my own objections.